So we're making homemade Bailey's Irish cream today, and guys, as you can tell from the video, it looks exactly the same compared to the original, and mine even tasted better, guys. Just look at it. Very easy to make. Let's get started. So I'm using 397 grams of condensed milk. I'll then add in whiskey. So I'm using this brand of whiskey, American whiskey. You can use any whiskey of your choice. So I added in 1.5 cup of whiskey, but I'll surely list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section. So once you've added in your whiskey, go ahead and blend it before adding in the rest of the ingredients. Don't blend it that much. 30 seconds should be enough. After open it and adding the rest of the ingredients, which is instant coffee, I added in just a teaspoon of instant coffee, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of almond extract. So if you want, you can use only almond extract, or you can use only vanilla extract. After I added in double cream, so the double cream I used 3/3 cup of double cream and then 1/4 cup of normal cream. I'll then cover it and then blend until it is well mixed. You do not want to mix it. You are not making margarine or butter here. So I compared to the original one, and the color was slightly different. So I added in more milk, and then it was quite thick than the original one. So I added in more milk and then a tablespoon of cocoa powder again. I mixed till well combined. You do not want to let the blender work that much. So the next one, as you can tell when I compared it to it, it looks exactly the same. Just look at it, the thickness, everything was on point. And then I transfer it into my bottle. So guys, this is very simple, few ingredients, and you're going to love it. Trust me, when I said mine tasted better, it was very true. Ow. It was very true, but mine was also slightly thicker than the original one. So if you want, you can add in just about 1/4 cup of milk to it, and you are good to go. So let's just compare it. Wow, guys, wow. It was super, what should I say, delicious or what? You will love it once you try it, and you making it yourself, you know what's going in. Just look at it. You can't even tell the differences, guys. Look at it. So instead of the normal condensed milk that I used, you can use caramel condensed milk, and it will even pop up the color well. It will look the same as the normal or as the original Bailey's. Even like this, you can't even tell the difference because it's just slightly different. Look at it. Just go in with your cubes and you're good to go. Wow, look at this, guys. I hope you give this amazing recipe a try, and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you till then. Bye bye.